back to my channel. I hope you are having a beautiful, fabulous day. Excited to be back on YouTube. I've taken such a long break. So in today's video, I'm going to be testing out the Milani Conceal Plus Perfect 2-in-1 Foundation Plus Concealer. And I've been wanting to try this foundation. I've heard so many amazing things about it, so I cannot wait to try it. Checking out throughout the day and letting you guys know like how the foundation is wearing on my face. And then I'm going to come back at the end of the night and I'm going to give you my final review. Please stay tuned if you want to know what are my thoughts on this foundation. So before I do anything to my face, apply foundation, I am going to be going in with this pigmented lighting serum, and this is by Alchemy, and it has turned to a really great product that I'm using. I've been reaching out for it on the daily, and I am using it to correct all of like the dark spots that I have on my face. So I like to put on this serum before I start putting on my moisturizer, and I have seen quite a bit of difference. Alright, so I'm just gonna let that sit on my face, let it dry, and then I'm gonna go in with a YSL. This is actually sent to me recently. What this is a moisturizer. So it's basically kind of like a foundation. It has SPF, and it is also a moisturizer, and it, guys, I don't even have to wear foundation some of these days. Like, I just wear this and it gives me the coverage. It makes my skin glowy and I love it. So I'm just going to dot it like so, and then I'm going to start buffing. Okay, so this foundation is more on a thicker side. It is not runny or liquidy. And also, I can see full coverage of it. So this definitely has a full coverage. This is only one layer of foundation. So I could definitely see that it's going to give me a major full coverage. My camera is really sucking right now. Why is this happening? Is it recording now?
Yeah.
They don't want you to film, but we're gonna film. Alright guys, so we're back in action. I did have a technical difficulty. And then also in this video, if you see kind of like that flickering and stuff, I have no idea what it is. If you are like a camera expert or something, let me know what you think might be the problem. I'm probably just going to take it in so they can take a look at it, but I hope that doesn't really bother you. So the SD, it was having some issues and stuff, and this is what actually happened. So I am at the store and I have nothing on my face. I just have the foundation. I didn't even set it or anything, so we'll see how this goes. Lizzie is with me. I know you guys missed her. But yeah, we're about to go inside the store. Alright, so basically I had to leave to the store with just foundation on. And the foundation, it has like that sticky feeling. So I definitely feel it on my face. What I'm going to do is I'm going to put a little bit more of the foundation. Like I mentioned, this foundation does have a full coverage, and I can definitely see that the foundation, well, I could see because it's such a full coverage, but I can also feel, because some foundation I really can't even tell or feel that I have a foundation on, but with this one I definitely can. I'm going to give you guys a close-up of how the foundation looks. Okay, so this foundation, it is a full coverage. I can definitely feel it on my skin. Once I get really close to this mirror, I can definitely see like I have foundations on. Because sometimes with foundations, they're like so natural and they just kind of like make your skin look like it's your skin but better, but you actually have foundation. And with this one, I can definitely see that I have foundation. I don't know if you kind of get where I'm going, but I'm going to be moving on to the next step, which is concealer. What else? I'm going to use a little bit of bronzer, blush, and finish my eyes, and then I will be back. Shades. The first shade, it is in Creamy Vanilla, 01 Creamy Vanilla, and it ends with a 14 Golden Coffee. So that's how many shades they have. The price is $8.97, and it does just varies wherever you purchase it. I do see it, some stores is lower, some stores is higher, but it is definitely under 10. So on video, it does look like my skin, it is, or the foundation is actually a lot lighter than my neck. And I actually saw that outside as well. I did see kind of like it's maybe a shade lighter than I should have gone with. But I don't really know how to say this. It just looks off in a way. And I also did try it with the flash, and it just kind of like, it looks way too lighter for my skin. So I'm not sure if I just got like the wrong shade or what happened. But I don't know, like right here on person on the mirror, it looks like it's a really great match, but somehow in outside and in pictures and stuff, it shows up a little bit. Guys, a close-up of how the foundation looks. Alright guys, so this is the final look that I came out with. The foundation, it looks really, really good. I did mention that it looks a tad lighter, and that's because I just remember that I did purchase this foundation before I self-tan. So once I applied all the products and everything just looks perfect. So it's currently 5:30. So usually I like to do my first impression videos like early throughout the day, so I can really just give you like a full-on review. But we did have some technical difficulties, so that's why I'm doing it at this hour. And then I will come back at the end of the night and I will give you a full-on final review. Alright guys, so it is 12 o'clock midnight, and I'm looking at the foundation and it looks really good. Oh, no wait, hold on. I do see right here, it kind of creased on me, which I have no idea why. And then right here, my foundation got removed, and I did set this foundation with powder. I did eat, and I definitely see the creasing. So hopefully the lashes are not falling, because that would be totally embarrassing. But if you look right here, you can see how the foundation creased. I have no idea why. So yeah, right here it did crease. Overall, it looks good. Today I didn't do any checkups because honestly I was just sitting the whole time. I didn't really do much of activity or anything. I did not sweat and I didn't go running or anything. So, you know, I'm gonna keep using this foundation tomorrow, and then I will come back and I will give you a final review. Alright guys, so today marks exactly 1 week since I did the first impression, and I am back to give you a full-on review. The foundation, I did have a love-hate relationship with this foundation, and I'm going to tell you why. Well, the first thing was I loved the coverage that it gave me. I absolutely loved that it was full coverage. Now, an issue that I do have with full coverage foundations is because I do have normal to dry skin, so it does tend to look a bit cakey. I normally am a person that I only set my under eye concealer, and that's about it. I leave the skin untouched, just highlight it and blush, and that's pretty much it. Those are the products that I use to set the product, but I normally don't put like all over, you know, face powder or so to like set the foundation. This foundation, I felt like it just never dried. Like it looked like it was always wet, or if I did any sort of expression, I feel like the foundation would kind of like rub off. So once I did set the foundation all over with some powder, some translucent powder, it did look a bit cakey. And normally the cakiness of a foundation or so, it diminishes whenever I spray some type of finishing sprayer. Guys, I really do like it. It's super inexpensive. You guys know that I'm also a couponer, so there's always great deals at the store. Plus I pair it with the coupons and all that. So, you know, it can be a little bit more on the cheaper side for me. It mentioned that the shade of foundation that I chose, it is a lighter, well, it looks lighter on me right now, and that's because I did self-tan. So I bought this foundation before I had self-tan, and I feel like if I go with a shade darker, maybe it would be the perfect match. This moment, is it a hit or is it a miss? Do I like it or do I not? Because that's honestly all you want to know. Is for me, I don't really like it. I'm gonna keep playing with it. Maybe I find a solution to it, and you guys could probably just
find out if I really liked it or not in like a favorites video or so. Another thing before I leave you with this video, I do want to let you know that I've been reading books like crazy. Books have turned into my favorite thing to do. I've been reading books non-stop, and I love it because I get so much knowledge off of them, and also I love reading about people that are so inspiring. Talking about inspirational people and people that motivate me, I've been reading this amazing book and I've been wanting to get my hands on it, and I finally did. So actually I went to the library and checked it out. This is The Sweet Life by Dulce Candy, and I'm pretty sure you are familiar with her. You know who she is. This is such a wonderful, talented YouTuber here, and she is honestly a person that I look up to. Me and her have so many similarities, and I definitely relate to her in so many different levels. So I'm truly honored every time that someone tells me you have something with her, like you have such a connection, like you have a resemblance with her or something. That's honestly something that honors me, because I look up to this amazing woman. So if you guys want me to do a review after I am done with this book, let me know. Let me know if you would be interested in me doing a video on like my favorite books or books I'm currently reading or something like that. I just feel like it'd be something different to the channel, but it'd definitely be something that I truly would love to do. So thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you really enjoyed it. Comment down below what you thought of the intro, because I made it myself and I am so proud of the way it came out. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you haven't been subscribed to the channel before, and I can't wait to see you back in my other next video. Have a beautiful, blessed, and amazing day. Bye!